Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually filmed this video already for this makeup look. I hope you guys can see me okay. I feel like I also wanted to let you guys know, a lot of you guys asked me about my hair. How do I style it? How do I do it? And I just thought maybe this would be the easiest way to let you guys know how I do it. So let's get started. What I use is the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Gold Curl. I will link it down below if it is possible. I'm not too sure if it, I will link it down below if it is available. I actually got this in Canada in Chatter Salon. I think I got this at Christmas time. I'm not sure. I had this for a while, but I'll let you know. This is what I use literally. I'm gonna show you. We need to get a hair, oh jeez, gosh. So we just need to get a hair tie. I just have this whatever one. And I do have a spray tan. I think it looked pretty good. But anyways, so what I like to do is I like to take half of my hair and put it up, like all the way up, and just leave it up there. And then I have all these pieces down here. And then I just, split it in half. So we have half here. And then I just take half, like split it apart. So then we're at 4. And then I just take, so this is my left hand, this is my right hand, and I like to put it down. I don't use this at all. This is like not my friend. I don't get how to do it. So I just take here and then I just wrap it around. And I hold it. Yeah, that little part can stay up. I don't really care. And then, yeah. And then I let it go. And that's it. I literally leave it, don't touch it, go to the next part, and that's it. Yeah, that's literally all I do. So I'm gonna go to the other side. Again, do this, split it up, take the top part, do this again, go down, and then I'm always curling outwards. That's my fave. I never curl in. I don't like curling in, I like curling out. And then it like doesn't take too long. Oh, and then side note, my hair was washed last night, or not last night, like yesterday during the day. And then I just let it go from the next day. So it was blow dried straight. I didn't really strain it too much. Usually with the blow dryer, it blows dries pretty straight with the brush. And then I just leave it, and then, yeah, because I find if I straighten my hair and then I try to curl it, it doesn't last long. So anyways, literally just leave it, take down the hair tie, and then I go up to the next section, which is up here, and then I go like this, take it to the top, and then I split off with everything with the hair, but then I'll look and I'll see, okay, I'll try to split it off. Oh, okay, there are the curly pieces. Here are not the curly pieces. And then I split that off. I usually use a hairbrush, which I will. And then so it's like nice. There's like one piece in there, but that's okay. And then split that off. And then again, curl it out. This is literally my hair. Yeah. And then last but not least, take the top. I actually like to keep this in the middle and then split it in half because I'm gonna show you my trick that I like to use. So here we go. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. You can take this whole chunk if you feel, if not, split in half. Usually what I do. So now that we did that, I literally just tousle it in my hands And then this is where I don't like the middle part, so I'll just take my brush and go like this. I like to do it to this side, so I will split it here. And then it creates that situation. And here. And then this is the best part. This stuff, if you know me, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love Kenneth Bernard so much. But I love it. But I only like to do this one at the bottom. Just at the bottom. But again, I just like kind of tousle it. I don't like to spray too much hairspray because I don't know, I just don't want it. But this is an OG, the Australia one, hairspray. Just do a little bit on the top. Like, do you hear that? It's like not a lot. It's not a lot. Because I don't want it to be too, I want it to be still like free. Not that it's crunchy, that's not what I'm saying. It's just like people like to go like shh and spray it. I'm not one of those. With any hairspray, I find that hairspray it takes a while to get out. You have to like really lather it if you wore a lot of hairspray. That's literally my hair. Like, that's it. I'm super done. I'm ready to take on the day. I'm gonna show you guys in natural lighting. So that is it. This is the finished product of the hair tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got some, I don't know, something out of it. But this is literally how I do my hair all the time whenever I go out or when I do pictures for the gram. So hopefully you guys got some tips and tricks on this. And that's the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I do upload another video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.